for today's video, we have a special guest. This is my sis, Sharell Calderon.
Hi guys! I am so happy to be here with my beautiful sis, and for today we are going to do a casual makeup. Remember, you can like, subscribe, and comment. Stay tuned.
Yes, so please stay there so that you can enjoy of this video, and at the end of this video we'll have her link below so that you can subscribe to her channel for more beautiful videos.
At this moment, I will be applying what is our primer. So our primer will help us that our base and also our face powder will stay perfectly on her face. And now we will be applying what is our base. And now we are going to apply what is our concealer on her eye. Our concealer is important so our eyeshadow can stay also well on our eye. And now we are going to be applying what is our face powder. And now basically what we are going to do is we are setting what is our concealer on her eye. Whenever we are concealing our eyes, we should conceal above where we have the crease and also beneath. And now we are going to apply what is our eyeshadow. And now what we're going to do is apply our eyeshadow. We will be working with a gold color for today. We will be blending what is our gold color with a pink color. But first of all, we need to put the gold color on the whole top of the eye. And now we are going to blend it with a light pink. With a pink color, we are going to be blending it. Whenever we are applying our eyeshadow, we can do both of them, first one eye, then the other one. So we are blending the gold color with a pink color. Whenever we are blending two colors together, it takes a little bit more time than the usual. And now when we get through from blending the color, we're going to work with her eyebrow. So first we need to comb our eyebrow before doing any other thing with our eyebrow. So we comb it, and now we're going to shape it out with a pencil. In this case, we're using a brown pencil to shape it out. So after shaping the eyebrow with our pencil, we're going to apply our eyebrow shadow so that we can finish setting our eyebrow. In this case, finish setting my beautiful friend. So we're applying our eyebrow shadow to finish set what is our eyebrow. And for the last, we are going to finish doing it with our pencil. And now we are going to do a fast concealing. going to do a fast contour. We do it on our forehead and also by our cheekbone. And now we're going to apply what is our blush, which we put it on our cheek. And now we're going to put just a little bit of our black pencil on the bottom part of our eyes. And now we're going to apply what is our lashes on our eyes. And now we're going to apply our other eyelashes on the other eye. When we get through with putting on our lashes, we just put a small amount of our eyeshadow also above it. So we apply our eyeliner to cover what is the glue from our lashes and also to make it look more extravagant. And now we apply a small amount of what is our mascara and our eyelashes. And now we are going to apply what is our lipstick to our lips. Whenever we get through with doing what is our makeup, we should always remember to apply our makeup spray so that everything we have applied can stay perfectly in place on our face. And this is our final look. So beautiful. Hope you all really love it, as I do.
So guys, this is the final look. How do I look?
Beautiful, right?
Thank you so much. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beautiful videos like this. Yeah, so hope to see you sometime soon, and thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.